If you're creating YouTube titles without using AI, you're falling behind the thousands of creators that are using AI to make better, more clickable titles that are more descriptive of your videos that'll help you get discovered faster. TubeBuddy has some tools that can help you generate titles that are better than the ones that you currently have, and you can test them versus your current titles to see, using the power of science and math, which one performs better on YouTube. Let me show you how it works. So if you don't already have TubeBuddy tool installed, go ahead and do that. And then select a video that's maybe not performing as well as you'd like. I'm going to select this video right here on my channel. Here, this video isn't doing that well. So I'm gonna click the TubeBuddy title generator tool here. It's gonna pull up this sidebar and it's going to ask you what your video is about. It'll automatically pull in what the title of your video is because this is an existing video. I'm going to click generate ideas and it's going to generate viral YouTube title ideas that may be better than my current title and put them into a list. You can select which title you think may be better and you can click apply if you don't want to test this new title versus your old title. So out of these options, I'm going to choose, I don't know, this first title. Boom. As you can see, it implemented the new title to my video, and then I can click save on the video here in YouTube, and my title is now changed. Now, if you'd like to test the new title versus your old title, you can do that using A/B testing and combine that with this AI technology. See this little side toolbox here that's popping up on the side for TubeBuddy? Click that, and you're going to see the A/B testing plus title generator feature. This combines that feature that we just talked about a moment ago with testing, which is one of the strongest features of TubeBuddy. We're going to click title in this example and click next. I like to select until it reaches statistical significance so that TubeBuddy can determine whether the new title is performing better than the old title for you. And I like to start as soon as possible. You can start on a specific date if you want and set a certain number of days if you want, but I don't recommend it. Click next. Notice how it's choosing options for us that we can test against our current title. So if we have our original title of everything you need to know about iRig Pre, then we can go ahead and test that against this title and then click Start Test. And what it's going to do after we click Start Test is that it's going to, every other day, test the old title versus the new title on YouTube and measure that data and let us know which title is working best. We can see the results in the A/B testing hub of TubeBuddy. Click the TubeBuddy tool here and you can scroll down to the A/B testing right here. Click Create A/B Test Now. When we do, notice how the test is already listed here in our list of in progress tests. If you click the in progress tab at the top, it will filter all of your tests that are currently running. If you want to monitor the results of your A/B test with your AI title test, just click that particular test, and once the results start coming in, it'll list the results here. If for some reason you're panicking and you don't like the results of the new title, it's, let's say, underperforming your expectations, you can click Stop Test and you can choose either the original title or you can choose the variation. Use the power of AI to grow your YouTube channel faster. If you're not, you're falling behind. Don't let your learning stop here about TubeBuddy and YouTube tools. We created a completely free downloadable guide at notcorrupt.media about this tool and so many others with TubeBuddy. That's notcorrupt.media, totally free, just for you.